Good morning. Day 73, Wednesday, the third day of June 2020. I'm Vincent J. Russo of the Russo Law Group. Today I would like to focus in on our loved ones who reside in assisted living facilities. This has been a real challenge for the residents and for the families due to the restrictions on visitation. And as we are coming out of this COVID-19 pause period, hopefully things will get a lot better more quickly. But I'd like to share with you what the New York State Department of Health has instructed the assisted living facilities to do during this period to make sure that if you have a loved one in a facility, that you are aware of these steps that the facility should have taken by now. 1, develop a face-to-face video call program. 2, develop a family call program where activities or social work staff call families regularly with clinical updates, depending on the resident's condition. 3, holding weekly webcasts from the leadership to answer live questions from families. 4, I like this one, arrange through window calls or visits. 5, increase activity staffing hours for more in-room activities. So important. We don't want the residents to be isolated. And there's a whole number of additional suggestions and guidance given to the facilities as to steps they should be taken. And then there were some additional ideas listed in this guidance that I really liked. Ask families to send care packages that include a note and a photo of sender to be used as a memory prompt. Ask families to send video messages that can be replayed. Have families load an electronic picture frame with family photos for a loved one who cannot receive visitors. Create a virtual adopt a grandparent program where community members can virtually adopt a resident. Partner with a local educational institution to ask kids and families at home to make greeting cards for the residents. Consider holding weekly virtual family council meetings to allow families to connect with the nursing home or assisted living administration to address unique issues that may have arisen during the COVID-19 crisis. There's also a requirement that the assisted living facility must continue to meet the psychological needs of all residents, including emotional and physical well-being, self-determination, self-respect, and dignity, and that a requirement to notify family members or next of kin for all residents if any resident tests positive for COVID-19 or if any resident suffers a COVID-19 related death within 24 hours of such positive test result or death. So it's my hope that the facilities have taken these steps. And if you have a loved one in the facility, then make sure that you are receiving the services and the resident, more importantly, is receiving the services that are required by New York State Department of Health. And with that, everyone have a great day and take a listen to this very touching song by Elvis Costello, inspired by his grandmother. Be safe.